Hey Rigger, I got one question for you.
What are those?
Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Creeper. Welcome back to another tutorial. And today we'll be teaching you how to make fancy feet, because a lot of the community right now have a weird fancy feet problem. And here's one I made earlier. As you can see, the feet glitch through the ankle. I mean, what feet glitch through their ankle? I mean, just okay. Now I want you to look down on your feet right now. Do they glitch through your ankle? Fuck, my feet glitch through my ankle. Help! Guys, I think I'm going to the doctor. Oh god, I'm going to the doctor. Be right back. Okay, enough of joking around. Let's get to the actual thing. All right. So yeah, there's no feet that glitch through their ankle, and it's just overall looking ugly, and it's hard to animate sometimes. Yeah, because like it's so weird and stuff. So sometimes when you need to animate, it's just ugly and stuff. The animation will look weird and all those stuff. And there's also a really easy fix to this. And for this video, I'm gonna teach you how to make the whole thing, how I make my fancy feet, basically the way I make the fancy feet. To all you starter, yeah. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, I'm just gonna show you what it looked like to have the proper fancy feet. This is the proper fancy feet. You see that? No, you can't see it because I zoom too much in. Okay, so here's the proper fancy feet. Yeah, as you can see, it's perfect. It's normal. Can you see that? It doesn't glitch through no matter how much you spin. And for this one, if I ever go past 90 degrees, and look at this, does that look like a feet to you anymore? No. So yeah, I used to make the same mistake as a starter do. So I want you to learn how to make the proper one, the way I do it. Yeah, so let's get started with the video. I'm just gonna create a new thing and put out my preset, or you can just download the preset in the link in the description below. It will be free for download. If I forgot to put the link, be sure to tell me in the description below. I'll be putting on the link down there. Or if you don't want to wait for me to fix the video and put the link on, you can go to my Selfie and you can find the pack there. Or if you're feeling a bit generous, you can donate me $5 and you'll get the pack itself and a bit more item in it. So yeah, let's get started. So here's the feet, a regular looking wonderful looking foot, leg. I don't know why I say feet, but okay. Putting down a joint like usual. This is back to basics, where people this is back to basic, of course. Everyone know how to do this. What the hell am I talking about? Alright, put the first joint top, 37.5 lower and 37.5 lower, another one, and pull it in like these. Okay, now we're gonna look something like this. Rotating it won't do anything because we haven't done anything yet, stupid. Okay, let's move on. Alright, now what you want to do is binding it. Binding it is just normal. You can do the other way in my other leg tutorial on how to make Steve rig. So if you want to check the video out, be sure to check the video out, of course. Why not, right? It's good to know. Yeah. Alright, moving up, we're gonna weight it. If you're doing the other way, you don't have to weight it, but yeah. Okay, turn visible only off, because visible only is just a jackass to you and it make your work 4 times harder. But turn it off and color every top here. Don't color the mid here. Be sure you uncolor it, and the same for this one. Uncolor it. Uncolor, is that even a word? Uncolor? I don't know. But only color it here, and then select both of them. Join and join dot one, or the top and mid, and then just color the middle. Okay, after finishing this one, you bound to have this thing coming up. Alright, after have this thing here, that doesn't matter for this video. This is just a basic stuff that you should know. And now let's go to the actual part, the fancy feet. Alright, let's put on the fancy feet by adding a point morph inside your leg. Okay, here's something. There's various ways to make fancy feet. Not just one, not just two, a lot. Oh god, I forgot something. Okay, let me try to. God damn it! I forgot about one thing, one simple thing. Yeah, and it fucked everything up. Of course. Why the hell not? Let me. God damn it! Everything is fucked up. Everything is fuck up. Help now! God damn it! Mom, I made a big mistake. Someone help me. Okay. Be right back. This is so wrong. Alright, so what I forgot to mention you is that you, before putting on the fancy feet, have to freeze all the joint, and the middle joint here, move it forward like that. But instead of negative, what the number is, you want to put 0.01, just like that. And now it should be better. Now do the weighting thing again. I'm sorry, I didn't tell you about that. I forgot. It's like the most important part. God damn it, Creeper, you fuck it up. Okay. Right. Let's get our stuff finished. Okay. Now let's like the middle one. And there you go. Yeah. Beautiful, right? Okay. Now let's go to the fancy feet part. Alright. So what you want to do with the fancy feet part, you click on add post morph. I went to this first. Okay, now what you want to select here, listen, you want to go to the point selection mode and select the front here, just like that. After done that, you want to pull this down 6.25 like that, and then uncheck this one or unstop it, this one, and then move this down until you move this down like around, let me see, this is 9.375, this much. So when you move it up, you can see 12.5, and the same for this back here, this one moving up to 16.25, and this one move up until 12.5, just like that. Okay, now go to the side view, and you can see this, select this both here. Be sure to uncheck the only select visible element so you can select the other side too. It's easier and help you more that way. Just do this, and the same for this one. Deselect this one and pull out this one. Then this is what you'll get from it. And you see it's a fancy feet. This doesn't coordinate yet. It's just a regular one. You can make it on the other side, but for the sake of this video, I'm gonna make it as short as possible. So I'll only make one side. It's probably the same progress on the other side, so don't worry. Now what you want to do is adding a I key to the leg, because you need the I key in order to get the feet to work. Alright, for the I key, just put the number 2 in and add a goal. Then you should get the regular I key one. Doesn't do anything much, it's just a regular I key. It's regular, of course. Now what you want to do is click on the join dot 2 here, hold shift, okay, just hold shift, click and hold on the cube until you see this menu drop out, and click on null. Release your hand on null, or click on it, right? I don't care, and call this whatever you like. I'm just gonna call it 1. And now pull this on down, then hold control so you can copy the 1 and put it under the join.goal, and call this 1.1, or call it whatever you like. Again, it doesn't matter. Alright, now what you want to do is you want to right click on this 1, and I'm just naming it so you can get it, and open Xpresso. Now pull 1.1, click on the red inside the Xpresso, pull the 1.1 inside the Xpresso, click on the red and click global matrix. Okay, now when you finish your global matrix, pull in 1 and connect to it and global matrix. Now these two bad boy here will global matrix each other. Can you see that? This one's supposed to be here, but it's moving here cause it's magic. Alright, now freeze them too, so they will get freeze like that. Right click on the leg itself and added a Xpresso. Okay, finishing the Xpresso. You need to use different Xpresso for this one, because sometimes if you put in it might glitch out and doesn't work. So make a different Xpresso just for the sake of don't piss off yourself. I pissed off myself one because like, why it doesn't work after putting this in, and because of the glitching Xpresso, whatever it is. I don't know if it's fixed in R17 or not, but maybe. But yeah, let's go here. Click on coordinate, rotation P. For the other side is rotation B. So if you make on the other axis, on the x-axis, make sure to make it rotation B, and pull in the post morph in. And now click new node, Xpresso, calculate range map. I'm sorry if I go too fast, but this is a YouTube video, so it's not like a live tutorial anyway, so you can just check on YouTube, rewind, That's it. Finish. Okay, what you want to do is input range change to degrees and output range change to percent. On the input upper put it to 90 and the input lower just keep at 100%. Sorry, not 90, 45. And here's a little bit stuff that you might want to do just to prevent glitching out. Okay, on the input lower put it negative 45 and input output lower put it negative 100. This will prevent it from glitching out sometime with some other Xpresso mic fuck it up. So yeah. Now connect to post 0 strength or the name of the fancy feed you would like to call it. After that, you should see something like this. But here's the problem. It glitched through the angle. I just went to the doctor for that, so you don't want to do that, okay? What you want to do is you're gonna click on this thing, make sure all down here, look at down here, make sure everything's set to 0 0 0 0. If it's not at 0, or maybe this P set to like 8,500, it's over 9,000. Oh, sorry. You want to click freeze all, just like that, and it's gonna finish. All right. So when you see that it's all 0, you want to right click on this one and go Cinema4D tag and click on protection. Okay, since this is on rotation, you want to do is on this rotation it's set to lock, set it to limit, and put negative 45 and 45. Since we're only working for the P, you don't have to set on H or B, but if you work on the sideway too, on like the B direction, you want to set this one to negative 45 and 45. It doesn't matter for me now, if whether I put it or not, it still doesn't matter because I only go for the front here. Alright, so now you can see it doesn't glitch out and it worked perfectly. No matter what you twist it, it still beautifully work, and yeah. So yeah, that's how you make a fancy feed. If you have any other suggestion on what tutorial I should make, be sure to let me know inside the comment section down below, and everything you need that is supposed to be in this video would be in the description below. If I forget anything, be sure to yell at me, fuck you Creeper, you forgot this, inside the comment section below, and I'll be sure to check it. Alright, and then that, I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you want more, subscribe to my main channel if you want to see my gaming series, whatever it is, and yeah, have a nice time, goodbye.